By far the best looking bike I've shot today, a 2007 Harley-Davidson FLSTN, upgraded wheels. Nice looking. Softail Deluxe, upgraded headlights and passing lamps. Previous owner did you a lot of favors. Grips, mirrors, ape hangers. The bike has 33,000 miles on it, but shows like it has 33 miles on it. It's gorgeous. Nice set of Vance & Hines power shots. Graded rear wheel too, a lot of chrome accessories as well. Vance & Hines pipes, high volume air intake, a la Willie G skull art. Beautiful, beautiful Softail Deluxe, priced at $10,000 and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.